Welcome to Let's Expose. Aam Aadmi Party alleging BJP of threatening people with bulldozers to extort money. Aam Aadmi Party allegations on BJP. The Aam Aadmi Party on the 22nd of April 2022 Friday alleged that the BJP was threatening to demolish shops and houses using bulldozers if their owners do not pay bribes. Aam Aadmi Party National Convener Arvind Kejriwal allegations on BJP. Aam Aadmi Party National Convener Arvind Kejriwal said, his party has received several complaints from citizens about threats of demolition from the BJP, adding that people will not tolerate this blatant extortion and hooliganism. Senior Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia allegations on BJP. Senior Aam Aadmi Party leader Manish Sisodia alleged that people are being blackmailed and harassed by people affiliated to the BJP, and wrote a letter to Aam Aadmi Party MLA, urging them to stand by people facing hooliganism by the BJP goons, and report any such activities to the police. Manish Sisodia said as the BJP prepares to leave the municipal corporation, it has decided to extort as much money as it could. It is not difficult for them to find shortcomings in houses or shops. The municipal corporations will flag minor mistakes and start extortion by threatening people with bulldozers, Manish Sisodia added. BJP challenged the Aam Aadmi Party to present evidence, else withdraw allegations or prepare for legal action. Calling the allegations baseless, Delhi BJP spokesperson Praveen Shankar Kapoor challenged Aam Aadmi Party spokespersons Saurabh Bhardwaj and Atishi to substantiate their claims with evidence, failing which, he said, Aam Aadmi Party leaders should withdraw their allegations or be prepared to face legal action. Mr. Praveen Shankar Kapoor said, it seems Aam Aadmi Party leaders are getting complaints of extortion by their own councillors, but due to political bias, they are alleging that the BJP councillors are trying to extort. Thanks for watching Let's Expose. Please do like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel.